Hello, all my dearest students from South India. I hope you all are doing great and I hope your articleship is going on great. So, I have come over here for a very small informative video for my May 25 and November 25 students who are about to enroll for that. And there are a lot of queries which are asked by South Indian students, particularly who want to learn full English direct tax in detail from me. So I thought I should make a video for you all so that I give you complete information about what exactly this batch is all about, when we are going to commence this batch, how it is going to be conducted, what will be the timing, what will be the number of days, what will be the number of hours, what will be the material that we are going to cover, what is the coverage that we are going to cover, what will be the fees, what will be the early bird discount, so on and so forth. Okay. So first of all, you have to come to my website, all of you. Please come to my website, arishkhan.com, and you have to come to lectures over here at the top, and in the lectures you have to go to live at home, and in live at home you have to go to CA final. And in this there are two options over here. One is full English, another is Hindi English mix. Obviously this video is for full English students, so you will go inside the full English batch. Okay, now this batch is starting from 1st of August to it will end on 31st of October. Now let me give you a brief explanation about why this batch is starting in August. Generally we start our batches in the month of July. That is generally around second week of July we start our batch, but this time we cannot start. The reason is election. This time election is there and election is going to conclude on 2nd of June. After that, new government will be formed and the new ministry will be formed, and the new ministry will come up with a new budget. And that new budget will be applicable for your May 25 and November 25 exams. Unlike earlier years, we have budget on 1st Feb. This year, we will have budget in the month of July, maybe in the third week of July. So if the budget comes in the third week of July, maybe around 15th to 20th of July, I cannot take the batch on 10th of July. That is absolutely impossible for me as a teacher. Then I have to teach the old things only, and then I will do the new amendments. If I have to do that only, then why will I take a new batch? I will give you the old batch itself. My objective over here is to teach you with the latest amendments which are going to come in the latest Finance Act number 2, 2024. So for that, we have to wait. The batch will start on 1st of August, tentatively 1st of August. Again, I am saying it might go 5 to 6 days here and there. Maybe maximum by 5th to 6th August, it might start. Okay. So we need to give a buffer of again 1 week on 1st of August. Okay. So it might be 5th of August, 2nd of August, 3rd of August. As soon as the budget comes to in front of us, we can commence our batch. Okay. So before that, we cannot commence our batch, and the budget is expected to come by 3rd week of July. How did you arrive that date, sir? Because in 2019, the election completed on 15th of May and the budget came on 5th of July. This time the election is concluding late. It is completing on 2nd of June. So that way we are extending the date of budget also by 15 days. So last time it was 5th July. This time we are expecting to be somewhere around 15th to 20th of July. The budget should come. Okay. So with that logic, we are keeping the batch on 1st of October, 1st of August to 31st of October for 3 months. This is a direct tax CA final regular batch. This batch will be there for 6 days a week. Sundays will be holiday and it will be conducted in the evening. It's an evening batch. 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, sir, we will be having holidays. Sir, we will be having offices at that time. See, most of the people get free by 6 o'clock. In case you have office and you miss any of the lecture, don't worry. This batch is 100% live. You can watch 100% live, and it is also 100% backup. In case you miss any lecture, you have 100% backup with that. Okay, don't worry about it. So in case you miss any lecture, the backup will be uploaded on the same day itself. In the night, the backup will be uploaded. You can watch on the next day and come for the next day's lecture. Okay. So you don't have to worry. But believe me, it is always better to attend live. If you attend live, the batch will be completed easily. If you go and attend in recordings, the batch will never complete. You would have experienced that the recordings never complete and the live batches complete very fast. So it is better you join live only. Okay. So 100% backup will be given, means every lecture you can watch. Suppose a 3-hour lecture is there, you can watch 3-hour lecture live, and then you can watch the 3-hour lecture, same lecture in the recording also. Okay, you can do both the things. If you want to watch the live also and recording also as a backup, you can watch that. The backup will be available for 12 months from the date of activation. That would be much more than sufficient, I guess. From the date on which you activate, it will be available for 12 months. Okay. Now some salient features about my batch. First of all, obviously it will be 100% English. Full English, keeping in mind the demand of my South Indian students. I used to not take full English batches earlier, but last 2 years onwards, since 2021 onwards, I have started taking. From 2012 to 2020, I used to take only Hindi batches, but now from last 2 years onward, I have also taken English batches. I have got great response from you all, and that give me great energy to give best of my efforts for you all. So, few salient features about my batch. First, this batch will be around 225 hours. Okay, 5 hours here and there, it may happen. 3 textbook will be given for your detailed understanding. Sir, what will be there in the textbook? In the textbook, ICI material will be there for all the critical topics. Entire ICI material will not be there, but critical topics will be there. Okay, for critical topics, we are going to see the detailed textbook. Apart from that, you will also be given a colored book. A colored book will cover 100% of the portion of the syllabus of CA final as per the new course. 100% portion will be covered under 500 pages with beautiful colors used for last day revision, because on the last day revision you cannot read so many books. On the last day revision you want concise material. So concise material will help you to revise the subject a day before examination in one day. Apart from that, all the ICI case laws will be taught to you. Apart from that, the most important thing, which is not done by anyone in the entire country, that I can guarantee to you, everybody has followed us in this particular aspect. That is, we solve more than 450 questions in class. In class itself, we will be solving more than 450 questions, including past 8 attempt RTPs, 10 mock test papers, and 6 exam papers. So around 24 to 25 papers we are going to solve in class, and that will be covered in 225 hours. Okay. So that is a very big advantage, because only learning is of no use. You learn for 10 years, you learn for 20 years, still you cannot clear your CA final exams unless you learn how to apply that in the examination, unless you learn how to write that in the examination, unless you learn how to apply that particular provision in a particular situation in the examination, it's of no use. Okay. So we will be putting lot of emphasis on question, lot of emphasis on practical questions. More than 450 questions we are going to solve in class. Okay. Apart from this, some addendum, which some additional services that will be given from my side. Revision videos will be done. Your doubts will be solved on a regular basis, on an instant basis, on our WhatsApp number as well as on our Telegram channel. Your MCQs will be discussed in the class, and you will be receiving your hard copy books for all the books. Okay. All the books will be available in hard copy to you. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now, the most important thing which comes to a student's mind, sir, what is the fees? The fees is 14,990. Last year also it was the same fees. This year also it is the same fees. But now, till 10th of April, keep the date in your mind carefully. Till 10th of April, tell all your friends please. Till 10th of April, I am again and again saying, you are getting great early bird discount of flat 33.33%. Flat. So 14,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees will directly become less than 10,000 rupees. So directly 5,000 rupees discount only for the next 8 to 10 days. That's it. What shall we do for that? You have to come over here, choose an option, pay full fees, and you have to use this coupon in the coupon cart AKDT33. You have to add this to cart. Okay. And after that, you have to view cart. View cart. If you click on view cart, you come over here, and I'll just remove this one batch from here. There are 2 batches over here. Okay. And you have to apply your coupon over here. That is AKDT33. The moment you apply, you get a great feeling after that. Okay. What is that great feeling? That great feeling of getting a discount of approximately of exactly, in fact, 5,000 rupees. Okay. This is only available till what? Till 10th of April. After that, the fees will be revised to original fees. Be very careful. Sir, why should we pay the fees in so much in advance? Because you have only asked me to announce the batch so much in advance. That's the reason you have to pay the fees. Sir, we don't want to pay the fees so much in advance. Then you have one more option. You can come over here. You can click over here. You have another option. Pay 2,000 rupees now, just now, and pay the balance later. Later means 1 month prior to the examination, 1 month prior to the batch commencement. That is, the batch is commencing on 1st August. You have to pay the balance by 1st of July. So you get an extension of 3 months. Okay. Just pay 2,000 and balance on 1st of July. Sir, what would be the balance on 1st of July if we order now? If you order till 10th of April, let me tell you, again, you will be enjoying the discounted fees. If you order by 10th of April, you pay 2,000 till 10th of April and take the balance only 8,000 rupees. You will enjoy the discounted fee. Balance 8,000 rupees will be paid on 1st of July. But if you order after 10th of April, then the fees will be 14,000. You will get an option to pay 2,000, but then you have to pay 2,000 and 13,000 at the 1st of July. Okay. So this is what this advantage is all about. Take the advantage of it. And believe me, nothing is better than live batch. Live batch will give you great experience of the subject. You can ask me doubts directly live. Our Zoom live will be video Zoom live. It is not only audio Zoom live where you have to chat and ask me the question. You can ask me question verbally also, orally also, through video chat. That is the advantage of our Zoom live. Okay. So till then, take care all of you. You can order the batch from our website. Take care all of you. Bye.